Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is called Tea Time with Lady Letts. Thank you for stopping by today. So today I am going to make some Irish moss punch. So I'm just want to show you guys what I do. I already boiled it already. Didn't want to show you guys all that mess and long process, but yeah, so maybe one day I'll do that. But today I'm just gonna go straight into the punch. So first, I always like to add my water to my blender first. So let me pour water to the blender. Pour. So I'm not gonna do a lot today. So and then I'm gonna add the moss. And what I put in the moss is so I said water before. Now I'm gonna add my moss to this. So I said before, I'm not gonna do a lot today. It's just my husband and I. So, and remember, this thing can really go. And then the second thing that I am gonna add to this mixture, I'm gonna add the oats, some oats, because it's lunch today, guys. So adding that to it. And then guys, I'm gonna add some Lasco. Persons can put almond milk in it, but I am a Lasco girl. So now guys, I am gonna add some Lasco. As I said before, I'm a Lasco type of person. I love Lasco milk. Third thing that I'm gonna add to this is my dragon. Pour. Okay, that will be it for now. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is just combine all these ingredients together. Just blend it right up. Let's go. I think that is too much. I think it's too thick, so I'm gonna pour some more water to it, and I think I'm gonna add some peanut butter to this. Usually persons will use peanut, but I want to use peanut butter. Okay guys, so it's not a lot, just use whatever you have. Right, so remember, it's your punch, you know. And then I'm gonna add some more water to this. It's so thick. I think I did too much moss in it. Okay, let's blend. So I'm gonna pour a little vanilla to it also, guys. And usually I will add like a pinch of salt to it, but there is salt already in the peanut butter, so I'm not gonna do salt today. And I also can add cinnamon powder. You can do that. So cinnamon, you don't have to use a lot. You can just use whatever you like, but this is just how I make mine. Okay, let's blend again. You don't have to use sugar in it also, because there's sugar already in the Lasco, and Come on, guys, this is healthy food. Like, you don't want to do too much sugar. It's a lunch punch, so I don't want to feel weak for the rest of the day, because whenever I drink too much sugar, kind of let me feel weak a bit. Yeah, so what kids, they will say when you eat too much sugar, you'll have energy, but I don't know about that one. For me, whenever I drink a lot of sugar, I will be so weak. Guys, I still think I need to blend this out a little bit more. So I think that will be it for now. So it's time for us to pour it out, for me to pour it out for you to see. So are you ready for the reveal to see how it really turned out in a cup or a mug or glass, whatever you want to pour it in. I think I'm going to pour it in a glass though. Let's go. It's not that thick and it's not that thin. I think it's perfect. Pour some out for my husband, and then I know he's gonna love it. So guys, you can just make your sea moss at home. You can look it up. You can do research on sea moss, and just enjoy. Okay, enjoy, and you can do without milk. You can mix it without milk. Also, persons make sea moss gel, sea moss mask for their face, and just about it. As I said, you can do some more research on sea moss and just enjoy yourself. Okay, guys. So these are the ingredients that I placed in my Irish mash the other day. So I call it Irish mash because some persons call it Irish mash, some persons call it sea moss. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. God bless you.